Hello everyone, my name is Jose Martinez and I will be doing my PSA on the website and app called StockX. About StockX, it is a Detroit-based company founded in 2015 by Dan Gilbert, Greg Schwartz, Josh Luber, and Chris Kaufman. It is one of the best sneaker reselling apps on the market, and it only sells dead stock shoes, and it has now expanded to designer clothing, handbags, and watches. How it is used. It is super easy to navigate. It has the categories such as sneakers, streetwear, handbags, and watches laid out perfectly so it's clear to the eye, and you can also narrow your searches by filtering. And I'll show you how that's done right now. So I am on the homepage for the StockX website. If I go down to right here, it shows me the popular brands and then the most popular shoes that have came out in the past weeks. So if I go to browse, it takes me to the sneakers part of the browse section. And if I wanted to find a men's size type, and then in a size 12, which is my size, it gives me all the size 12 men's shoes that are out there on the market and what they're selling for. So now onto the part of buying and selling on StockX. So you compete against other people trying to buy the shoe. You negotiate prices with the buyers and sellers, and people have been making a career out of reselling shoes on this app. So say I wanted to buy the Yeezy Boost 350s. One really cool part about this website and app is you can view the shoe in 3D. So it gives you a 3D view of what you're buying. So then if I go down, it gives me a graph of what the shoe first was selling at. And as I go down the graph, you can see as it declines, you get a view of what you should post your shoe for. If I go a little bit further, it gives me the most recent purchases and what their price was, so you can get a view of what you should buy it for. And then it also gives me the number of sales and the average price it has been bought at. So if I wanted to buy this shoe, I can view all the asks people have been posting it for, and it gives me all the price points and how many shoes are available in size 12. And then if I wanted to sell it, I can go to sell, and then it gives you a clear picture of what you should be posting for. So it has a size 12 and the lowest ask is $232. So if I wanted to post a size 12 and wanted to sell it at $300, it gives me the prices of what I will get at the end of the transaction. So this concludes my PSA on the website and app called StockX. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.